Hey stars. Now look fat. Hey stars. Okay, now I'm just giving obsession vibes. Hey stars. Now it just sound boring. Okay, so I just came from school and I just got and ate some eggs and white bread. So right now I'm just gonna wash my face and brush my teeth. That's all I'm gonna be doing. And it's kind of boring right now. This day is very boring. Yo. But it was fun when I was at school. When I was at school, I won't mind the show. Yay! I'm gonna show some other clips that I was doing at school with my other friends. And yay, we all know about. She's one of my friends, you know. She was like, put me on your vlog, put me in your vlog.
Hey,
and she also has a vlog.
hello.
This is Yonwaba. She also has a YouTube account. Yeah.
So guys, please.
Say your handle, my darling. Tell them your handle.
Hello guys, can you please follow
Yonwaba's
me?
handle, did you hear that?
Just follow me guys. I'm
I'm just gonna post on the 1st of February. Because today is the 23rd. I have my towel. I actually wasn't gonna use a towel for my face because like in this stage. So because I think it just makes it a bit worse. But then I just use it for my face, and then I have a second one for my upper body, then I have a third one for my down body. I don't know how to say this. Is it upper body or down body? I don't know. Hey, alias. So I'm just gonna wash my face. I wash it with cold water. Yay! I was gonna buy like that scrubbing thing. I forgot the name. Lando man, you scrub your face with. It's like skincare routine thing. I do my skincare. I do it at night and morning. And I think I should be like doing it thrice a day. Yeah, because but they said I made research and then they said that I mustn't overdo skincare routine. Of them right now because they would be like, oh my gosh, no, that. And today was like when train and I was gonna make a vlog in the train, but then about balance and I'm scared to just take out my phone there. What if someone just takes it and run away? And don't judge. Yes, don't judge. Because like a 15-year-old making a vlog. Ish. But hi guys, my little aura dancer. Bang aura little dancer aura. Long than a lot driver you no spooky, no baby face. Because I scholar sub and stuff. Now in a vlog. Between the two sauce, hello. Now I said trying to famous, I have to make my own vlog. Like seriously, I require even Zendaya. Banyama Zendaya, the famous girl. Like she had her own vlog when she was small. So I thought, why not? And I didn't ideas like, why not? Why not? And this vlog mustn't be that long-ish. My first vlog mustn't be long. Like, imagine when I never vlog and it's already that long. No, you cannot. I have a dream, shame. Yo, I have a dream. Hey, I just recognize it doesn't listen in. Nah. Yeah. I'm lost. I'm just gonna wait for my face to dry. I have to like introduce myself and stuff. Hey, imagine just starting a vlog just like that. Hey there, tune. I wish like I had a fan, but like I didn't have any fan. They're gonna have fan, but then I think I'm Mushaka because I cannot see it anymore. Like I say, but no, but yes, I don't know. Like and yes, again, same time now like woof. But like also I'm would dry very very fast. I hate this thing. Inkafuno. Oh, so it is a zodwa. Like why? Inkafuno like oh why? That's when post because me is my other friend. I have a lot of friends that are girls, female friends. I love them shit because like they're so dramatic, yeah, bro. And like they're just like playing soccer, and it's what I don't like. Like, hey, soccer and they turn the shame and they turn it do. Never, yeah, the mazalando. Ubulekana nento around ude ulwe ngenxa into around uyikhabayo no my darling ayikwazeki tu sose uveve ndifakile kwento zakhe sana mosine ukhona lo bhuti kwa-TikTok ndilibele igama lakhe but uveve yamthanda so nawe uzithetha kanjani lento but I think ndingathi une-disability, you know? So like was this like it's just being himself. I think that's just being himself, yeah, bro. So uchomi yam izidalo yehanda ukuzihleka. I don't know for what reason uthi ba yena uyazithanda indlela eziyiyo so uyahleka and stuff and so yakala nto wara very and like becinga ngayo ukuba asoze like uyashela ukuthi soze belapha wena Kula ndicinga ngayo loo nto like shame. Shame to nqena ukuhleka njengehlobo endihleka ngalo kwa-TikTok. Yeah, I know. Like me. I use this sunscreen and I mix it with Vaseline. Vaseline coconut. I like the smell of it, like but then like night demand and then I put it in one place. So this is how it looks. Like ibanje. That's the way that it smells. Like you are not. Whoa, like jalawena. It smells so nice. My face looks better right now. Hey, India, shiny. The hands are more shiny. I'm very, very shiny at school. And me and my friend were like very, very shiny. And that was not even me being like the shiniest. That was just taking a quarter of mixture indlela endishani bendishana ngayo esikolweni. Mna nditsho mna nomivuyo. Me and Mivuyo, Shem. Like close shinies, shining stars. I love stars, Shem. Hey. That's why I'm Nakhostar.M. That's why I'm Nakhostar.M. I am telling you. I am telling you. Okay. So right now I'll just be brushing my teeth. I just brush my face. Okay, so now I use any Colgate. If you want to know that, actually, I use any Colgate because my teeth doesn't care. It literally just does not care. Yeah, Jalabena. Yeah, Jalabena. That's done and dusted. To be honest, Kesana, that actually took me 3 minutes. And it doesn't even take them that. It just takes them, I don't know, like 52 seconds or something to brush your teeth. And they're always like, hi, onako, hi, uzo, samazi, 10 minutes, yonke. Like, they know that onako will wash like for 5 hours. And I'm gonna call this, and it could take me like 2 hours to wash. And it only takes other people, I don't know, like 15, I think 12 minutes, I don't know. I feel like it takes me 12 minutes, less than 15 minutes, I just know. Okay guys, so it's time for me to introduce myself. I know no law. I'm going to play about. Okay. So, hi. Let's introduce. I got you. So, hi. Hello. My name is Onakomond. You can say Mandin if you want, sir. But I go by the name Nakhostar.M. If you write this underscore Nakhostar.M. And I'm 15. I'm not even 15 yet. I will be 15 on April 11th of April. It's my birthday. And hey, the time right now is round about 7. It's just 7. Yeah, because 7 guys are like that right now. 7. Okay. So right now, spending guys. But you know, Big Nans. It really inspired me to be like her, like a YouTuber. She like inspired me, she gave me that thing. So please guys, do not skip the ads. Go to neighbor's house. Knock. And say, neighbor, hold here. You will collect big slap. Aye. Stand out, look at your house. Oh, like Jalen. Pearson, Pearson. Her videos are like so exaggerated. Like you're getting out there, like boom, slap, like yeah. You know nothing, guys. You know nothing. Pearson, you have to go check out her vlogs. Pearson, guys, yo. She's the most dramatic person on YouTube that I know, that I personally know. She like puts a lot of effort in her videos, yo. And I'm like, hey, I want my videos to be just as dramatic. I don't know why I just did that. Just felt like me doing it. And I've been thinking of being a YouTuber for a very long time, Ish. That the moment Ustargel Effect made a YouTube account, and I was like, hi! I was like, hey! Be there! Ibapa! Now wait, now. Ibapa! May YouTube, like, Chalawen. Ustargel, I love stars. Yeah, bro. I love stars a lot. Like, like is stars that you look at night. And like I studied stars. I know Nova stars before, like when they form, before they explode, like yonke londo and stuff yonke londo way too. So when I was creating my name, my username, I was like, okay, so big Nancy likes big things. Yeah, and now I just thought to myself, but okay, so now I like stars. That's what I like. I like stars. Actually, I don't like them. I love stars. Like the stars, I told me. Now talk about stars, I'll be there. You know those stuff like that's why I like you know, like the button with ends. I can't even do it properly, like when my eyes are actually, you know, so igama lam namusungu unakho. Abanye abantu bandibiza nakho. Abanye abantu they're like nakho. So I'm like, okay, ngayithanda lento nakho. And then just add nakho and star together and you're like Nakhostar. Yay! Hey, I was like, here's my username. And then like it showed up like one part that was like my surname. So I was like, should my surname, should I put like M, which is Mandindi, Mundi, when you Mundi Mandindi. But I just thought to myself, I would even like Mandege one, that would be like for both because they both start with M. So I was like, okay, just put M with, because let me just explain something to you guys. I grew up Dibizwa Mondi from Ekridge to high school. The surname yam has been Mondi, even though like parents they married a long time ago. I just stayed as Mundi. So what this thing is like new to me that like I'm just gonna change my surname be Mandindi. It does not feel, you know, natural or something. Normal. It doesn't feel normal. It feels weird, very weird, like me. Just put the M. You will see what you will think of the M. So my name is Nakhostar.M, and this is my YouTube account. I'm just gonna put it here. I know it has small followers and it's waiting for you guys to go and click that follow button. It's like, I'm waiting for you, press the follow button. Yeah. My Instagram account, it's also Nakhostar.M. So I'll give it to Nakhostar.M. Nance. And I know I have small followers, Betuna. It's waiting for you to go and press follow. Hamba. Go press follow. There's no shame. I follow. Okay, yeah, but I must not touch my face because, hey, it's pimples. It's become too much right now. So today, there's not much that I'm doing. It's not much. I know. Because like in and Sunday, so I'm gonna make another part of my vlog. This will be in the to see I down to my friend. Yeah, and then you will finally see Uveve Licious. Because here we are all stars. Let me tell you something. We are all stars. We are shining stars, my baby. We are stars. And we're gonna become bigger stars. Not bigger than me, look. I'm the sun. The biggest star ever. Boom. I'm joking. I'm not joking. Yeah, guys. That's all for today. Big brother. That's all for today. Oh, big brother. Hey, Nani? I say, I'm gonna go to Big Brother. I'm gonna go to Big Brother Shem. I think when I'm 19. Why am I doing this? So yeah, my shining stars. That's all. Hey, yo bright shining stars. This is day 3 of my vlogging and I'm going to Silvertown, aka also known as down to. I'm also done doing my thumbnail for this video, which is my first vlog. And I've been working so hard on that thing, but it just turned out to be such a plain thing. Maybe like what the heck? Yo, yesterday I was covering books. Yeah, well, books. Yeah, well, I was covering my books because I didn't cover my books on the day before schools open. I've only done, I think it's 5 books that I have 12 books in total. Yo, abasebenzisa abantwana. Hey. What is it? 12 esikolweni 12 yonke. Just imagine, I've only done 5. I think it's 5. No, I'm wrong. It's not 5. 6. I've only done 6 books. That's the only progress I did. 6. Like, shame. I was like literally crying. Just 1 done. 10 to go. I think I'm gonna work for the whole day. Hayi bendilila nasi. Into yoba ndibe ndikhavarishana neencwadi. Too much work. Kusashota is. I'm not even done covering these ones. Uzocela umama msana uba ndikhavarishele mna ndinokwazi. Ndinokwazi. I cannot. I'm still a baby. I'm just a baby. Sendenzelwe nayo into engenze ndinokwazi. I'm just a baby, Jim. I'm just a baby, a little baby. Got my journal here. I'm Dagasan. I'm Daga because it's a white book, so of course it's one that it's sensitive in terms of kubona na shirt, t-shirts. Ubone sana imhlophe. Wenze a mistake ekuyinxibeni kwindawo oya kuyo. You made a huge mistake, Jim. Because it's one that I'm seeing. I'll just use a pencil. I'll be brainstorming my ideas with you guys. So, thumbnail yam, guys, everything is just for me. But I think the first part of my vlog was just too long. It was 19 minutes and 21 seconds. And I've been like doing a lot of ideas, Shem, for my next upcoming vlogs that I will be doing. Like there's a lot of everything. Like Jalawen. So in the comments please tell me what to do. Like you see, like other vloggers ask from their subscribers what they should be doing in the upcoming vlogs, and I've came up with a couple of ideas. The first one is doing a Valentine's thing, you know. It's about Valentine's because like, I've also thought of a plan of overcoming my fear. I have a lot of fears. Just watch my other vlog. I'm gonna make another vlog of overcoming my fears. It's like, you know, I'm gonna only just tell you 3 of my fears. I have monophobia, which is for those who don't know, which is being scared of being alone. Like I do not like being alone. So I feel better, like a bit safe, you know. But I'm room like in the but I feel a bit better because like I'm talking to you guys. Am I even talking to people? Because like I don't even have subscribers yet. And I'm already like, oh, there's people in my London, like I'm talking to people. Hayini. What if what if I'm talking alone? Hi. There will be subscribers. There will be subscribers. Will they? I think they will, man. They will be subscribers. Ebe to subscribe aneze de uthetha nabantu. Asani. Imagine bendithetha ndedwa asani kanti ayibona subscribers. Hayi subscriber guys. You see, that's also part of being monophobic, being alone. That's being alone. like lonely. Oh, that's being lonely, shame. And I also have, it's called, okay, it's aclophobic. I forgot the name. I think it's aclophobic, something like that, man. Which is the fear of the darkness. Why do you think stars stay together? Like, stars never leave each other. They are always there for each other, is stars, guys. And they're bright. Like you. Bright, shining stars. You. I'm also afraid of heights. There's this video that I posted on TikTok. I was on the mountain. I was hiking. So I was standing. And then my uncle took pictures of me. And I was like scared. But it was better because there was like a lot of people and they're like looking after each other and all that. But then omnye usisi, I think Sweden. I mean, kubina up. Switzerland. I think because nala accent yaphana. So uphansi ukuwa chomi like wabebambelele kwe plants. You see the power of nature. I am telling you. Abena ayishem wabambelela chomi wancediswa ayebemphakamisa chomi yo aqomba andisoze ndiye na cangwe cliff angeke yoyikesa lana yo diwe fam. I just had an idea right now, yabo. Maybe yabona kwenye vlog engayenza some other time, yabo. Ndinxelele izinto ezikwi-journal yam. Don't you think that's a good idea? Pink hearts in the comments if you think I should do that. Or maybe I think not you get into because some other things are very, very personal. So I'm not gonna everything, you know. So pink hearts in the comments if you think I should do that. Tell you things in my journal. G for God.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down.
I have finally gotten to Silvertown, baby. So I'm going to my friend's house right now. It's not so far. It's not really that far. I'm almost there. I'm right at her house. Just gonna say hello to my vlog. You're gonna see what type of person she is. Here she is. Hey. Hi guys. Say hi to my vlog. Yes. This is the girl. Look at my sister girl. Deepa. Okay guys, so this is the end of this vlog. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I think this is the end of this vlog. So please stay tuned, watch my next vlog, and stay together in stars. Bye.